Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Volkswagen and Audi with 3.0 TDI engine. The belt that I'm gonna be replacing the car on is a Volkswagen Touareg. The serpentine belt on this car is located just on the front of the engine, just there. We can see that there is a lot of pulleys, so before we remove it, we need to memorize where the belt goes exactly. I'm going to show you a diagram later on in the video of where exactly the belt goes around the pulleys, just in case. But now we have to remove the belt first. In order to remove the belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. This is right there the place, the socket that we need to remove the belt to loosen the tensioner. So this is the tool that I need to remove, not to remove, but to turn the tensioner. It's a T50 that I need to put in the hole there and just turn the tensioner clockwise. As we turn the tensioner clockwise, we can see that the belt becomes loose, and then we can remove it from one of the pulleys. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Now that the belt is loose, we can remove it from the engine and replace it with a new one. Here I'm going to show you the diagram for the belt, so that if you haven't memorized it, you'll see the diagram here exactly where the belt goes around the pulleys. And now we can put on the new belt. When installing the belt, you put it around all the pulleys except one, and probably either the parasitic pulley or the tensioner pulley, whichever is easier for you. And then you have to turn the tensioner clockwise again in order to put the belt onto the last pulley. Well, the tensioner is turned to be for the belt to be loose. I'm going to push in with a pry bar the belt on one of the pulleys because it's not in all the way. And now if if the belt is in on all the pulleys, I can remove the ratchet from the tensioner, and then we're done. Thank you for watching.